Okay. That's I guess. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kai and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guess what we're doing? Guess what? We're unboxing Urban Skin X. Now, let me tell you guys, like almost every, I don't know how to say this, but like I've had trouble with my face for the longest. Like I have, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have like a whole bunch of blemishes all over my face, and it's not good. It's not good at all. And I've had trouble with, I'm telling you guys, like I've been having trouble with this thing for the longest. I don't know how to get a deal on it. So, you know, scrolling on the gram helps everything. And I came across Urban Skin X, and this is it's a company that has face products that are for black people, for their skin type. I know like Karuchi uses this, and let me tell you guys, Karuchi's face is beautiful. Like her skin is just so healthy. It's so smooth and nice looking. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna try this products out, and we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna try these products out, and yeah, let's see what this got. So wait, hold on, wait a minute. I forgot to open it. Well, not open it, but I didn't think this part, they have like this big old tape part on it, and it messed up the box. That's alright. We just here for the products. We're just here for the products, you guys. Okay. So, yeah, okay. So the first thing I got was the Hydra Firm Brightening Serum. We're gonna read what that is about. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? You guys, can you see it? Hydra Firm. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be, oh my god. So we got that. And we got the Urban Skin X Combination Skin Cleansing Bar, 3-in-1 treatment. I don't know if you can read it. Come through, camera. Like, what is up? Anyways, yeah. I'll put these in the description box below so you guys can know what is the deal. Then this is the Complexion Protection Moisturizer. Yeah. I'm getting so excited. I don't know why I'm getting so excited. Like I've always done like my own little like face routines, and for some reason my face always gets used to the products that I'm using, so they stop working after a while. So I hope this is not the case with this, because I'm gonna be so sad. So, and then here's the Even Tone Night Treatment. It's really small, as you guys can see. It's not, I'm trying to get as close as I can get it, but my camera doesn't want to work today. I don't know why it's getting blurry like that for some reason, but you know what? I'm gonna keep going because I'm gonna put these in the description box below with their links so you guys know what's up. So yeah, like, does it come with an instruction? Oh no. Oh wait, like, does the box do? And look, like, listen, this was like the box. Look at the box. So cute. So it doesn't, I don't see no instruction manual or any of that. I don't see anything, so how am I, which one am I supposed to put on first? It's not, you guys. I don't want to put this on wrong. I don't know which one. I don't know which one goes on first, like which one is morning and which one is night. And it's not telling me. So like, do I... It's not telling me anything, you guys, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this with no instructions. I have none whatsoever, but you know what? We're gonna try our best. And here's a little tip. These products are all designed for the type of skin you have. Now me, you guys, I have severely dry skin. I do. I'm acne prone, severely dry skin. Sometimes my skin agrees with me and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why it does that, but it does. And like, when I say my skin is like severely dry, I mean like I can put on lotion on my face, moisturizer, and my face like just soaks it up, and then it leaves nothing else. It just leaves nothing else. It just looks like I just sprayed water on my face, basically. Sprayed it once and then that was it. So my face is severely dry, and hopefully these products curb that. Like, is it getting too bright, you guys? Hopefully those products curb that, cause yeah. So I'm gonna tell you what each product does. I'm gonna read what it does on the back, and we're gonna see how to use it and all of that. So this is this is the combination skin cleansing bar, and it says this smoothing 3-in-1 cleansing treatment offers a unique blend of, it's a word right there, resorcinol, what the, resorcinol, we're gonna look this up because now I'm getting irritated. Resorcinol, but that don't sound right. Hopefully my volume's up. Okay, here. Resorcinol. I wasn't even close. We just go curve. And coconut oil, okay. A gentle yet effective formula to exfoliate dead, dull, or blemished skin, revealing a more youthful glow. Perfect for dry and combination skin. See, I'm telling you guys, Urban Skin RX, your best friend is gonna be your best friend. Okay, let's see what the Hydra Firm brightening serum does. So it says this. The silky oil-free serum is infused with hydrating, brightening, and firming ingredients such as, why do they give you these big words? Let me see. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this out. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try this out. Hyaluronic acid.
Hyaluronic acid.
I was right. Hyaluronic acid. Alpha arbutin. I'm no way a professional at saying these words. I'm not saying I know them, just know. Google Translate is gonna be your best friend, or dictionary is gonna be your best friend. Hexapeptide A and lactic acid, which work together to improve the visible signs of aging as well as uneven skin tone and rough texture. This non-pore clogging formula is also an ideal hydrator for oily, acne-prone skin types. Not placed back inside the jar. Allow it to dry on top of the jar lid. Oh! Oh! What? Only 2? I don't know if you guys ever had this, but like, have you ever had that one granny who be having like tea? Like, this smells like green tea to me. Green tea or hibiscus tea. One of them. I think I'm getting this right. Green tea? Matcha? No. Maybe matcha tea. Probably is maybe. It's a mix between green tea, matcha tea, and hibiscus tea. I don't know why, but it smells like all of them. Okay, so it says that I have to so it says that I have to leave this. I have to wet it and rub the sponge against the box to create a lather. So let's see. You guys, look! It went from flat to bam. Oh, this is so cool. Hold on, wait. I'm doing this all wrong. Let me wash my hands first before I do anything. Let me wash my hands first, cause
I want impurities to remain on my face. Okay.
even though I put a lot, it's just like, look, you guys, look how thick it is. Let me show you guys what it went from. It went from this to this. That's pretty cool. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm getting excited now. But wait, I don't want to put anything on without. I think I'm supposed to put this one afterwards. Let me read the other ones. Okay, so it says rub on to create a lather. I think I've squeezed too much of the water out. Let me put that back in. Smells like matcha tea. Matcha tea, I'm telling you guys, matcha tea all the way. So I'm supposed to like supposed to like rub it in, I guess. I'm assuming. So rubbing in, you know. Oh my god. You're lying. You're lying. Oh my god. Ew. Wait, but that could have been from it. No, that's not from me. No. That can't be. Oh my god, are you telling me? You're lying. Like, I washed my face this morning. I swear to god. Let me see. Okay. So I don't see no pigmentation on it. There's none whatsoever. And then when I go in on my face, you're lying. Ew, that's disgusting. Look at this, you guys. I don't know if you can see that. Look, it turned. It's like a dirt. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Oh, you're gotta be kidding me. So like, wait, how am I supposed to do everything? So I'm supposed to massage this into the face and until I finish. Oh my god. Guys, oh my god, look how dirty that is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that. That's gross. Oh my god, that's disgusting. That is so nasty. Okay, wash it off. So I'm going to assume this is for both day and night. So yeah, except for the little other product, but that's nothing anyways. So which one do I go in with next? I think I'm supposed to go with, so I'm supposed to apply, it says with this one I have to apply 1 to 2 times daily after cleansing or toning and before moisturizers or other thicker serums. So I gotta put this one on and then put this one on, because this one is a moisturizer. So I put this one on before the moisturizer. Okay. And I have to apply this 3 to 4. I have to have 3 to 4 drops. So is it like on or whatever? Oh, it's on. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. The full face, neck, and eyelids. This is getting serious, you guys. So, oh my god, it dries fast. You know what? This kind of feels like my, when I usually put egg wash on my face. This is what it feels like. You know what? It's drying very fastly. It dries really fastly. It's kind of sticky on my face now. I say it's all the time now. It went on very smoothly. I expected like it to be harder. Let me put 1 drop because it said 3 to 4 drops. So because I didn't really get this side. I expected it to be harder. Like I expected it to kind of be like a moisturizer or like a oil, but it just kind of like slid on. Now we're gonna go in with my Urban Skin RX Moisturizer. I think I'm supposed to only do this in the day. Yeah, this is only for the day. This is sunscreen basically. So how am I supposed to? It says apply liberally and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a water resistant if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. So are you supposed to turn it? Oh, there we go. So I'm supposed to do this evenly. I think that's enough. It looks like a lot. This is a lot. Oh yeah, this is a lot. Because it's very thin. I feel it. Oh, well, it might work. It may work. So I'm supposed to apply this every 2 hours. It doesn't do the whole make my face like you know when you put sunscreen on it makes your face white. It's not doing that. I don't know. I feel like it's not. I feel like it moisturizes my skin really well. But yeah, it feels nice. It feels so smooth. Like literally it feels very smooth. And I love it. Oh my god. I'm being dingy now, but it's okay. Happens once in a while. It's not a recurring thing. But yeah, I hope you guys, like, if you guys have some problems with your skin, go to Urban Skin RX. take your quiz, and that's it. Like, that's all you need to do just to figure out what's going on with your skin type and everything. And after you're done, tell me in the comments down below, how's it working for you? Because I want to know, because later on I'm gonna show my results and see like what's going on with my face, and I'll get back to you guys, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Please comment down below what you guys thought on this video. Turn on your post notifications if you haven't already, because come on, you guys. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and continue watching my videos. Bye guys.